you know, Ken, that growing up and learning from academics versus learning hands-on, where did you learn best?
Yeah, so my college experience has come in just bits and pieces scattered around. I have no degree whatsoever. I don't have a degree of anything. Where I learn absolutely everything that I know how to do is on my own terms and in my own way and by doing.
Exactly.
Doing it, putting my hands on it and doing it.
That is exactly why this exists.
Right.
So we go back to the story of, man, I spent a lot of years exploring out there and not knowing, not having any direction. We set those students up basically with career exploration. So just kind of getting their feet wet and kind of getting an understanding of what's out there and giving them an opportunity in a, for example, if they want to go into the construction or trades area, they want to go into the engineering pathway or become an attorney, become a banker, financial pathway. Health science is huge because that's one of the bigger industries, but also the bigger interests of our students. When we survey them, I would say about 60% of our student population want to become something in the medical field.
Okay.
So
it's a huge field.
It is huge, and it's high-paying jobs.
Right.
So we try to match them up with high-value jobs, which are ultimately high wage and also high demand or high growth. So that's the definition of high values.